Cute! Para talaga silang The Beatles, nakakaloka.
Super love na love ko yung song na to nung college. As in.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the Two Gay BFFs channel. I am MC James Matthew.
And I'm MC James JM.
And today, we're gonna react to a band that changed the landscape back in 2010s. You wanna know who it is?
Is it Gimme 5?
-1. It's Four
Four
of
of
Spades! So yung mga 90s kids, di ba, lagi nila sinasabi, mga pinapakinggan namin, Eraserheads, ganyan, River Maya. Para sa amin, mga 2000s, mga Gen Z, ang aming banda na gano'n ay Four of Spades. So we're gonna react to the short-lived career of Four of Spades.
Short-lived?
Oh, they were only active for 3 years. Four of Spades have 4 members. Blaster Silonga, Badjao de Castro, Unique Silonga, and Zil Benitez.
Wait, Blaster and Unique? Or
No, Silonga and then Salonga. So they were formed by Blaster's dad, which is Daddy A. Salonga. He wanted to form a band for Blaster. Tapos nag-contact siya ng mga friends niya na nagbabanda rin. So yung mga anak ng mga friends niya na nagbabanda, gumawa sila sa And that was Four of Spades. So are we ready to watch their first music video?
Ay, sabi na
Grabe naman sa color,
Oo nga yung
color
grading.
Grabe, alam mo talaga kung anong year. Parang na-define niya talaga yung year na yan.
Tapos gusto ko yung parang nagbabanggit-banggit sila ng iba't ibang pangalan.
Diba?
Sobrang noon, sobrang parang mga music dati.
Diba?
Parang Mambo number 5. And to think na lahat sila halos dito, teenagers.
Diba? Super talented. Tapos college pa sila niyan, I think.
College silang tatlo, tapos si Unique, kaka-grade 11 niya pala.
It's so catchy. Kahit this year, ha?
Dance now, baby.
If you told me this was released this year, it would sound it would sound modern and fresh pa din. Kahit 7 years ago na, tama ba?
7 to 8.
7 to 8 years? Grabe, sana sila. Na-excite ako. Sana mag-comeback sila, guys.
Cute! Para talaga silang The Beatles, nakakaloka.
Ayan.
Ay, ayaw ba ni Barbara?
Super nostalgic nung video. Parang, ewan ko, nare-remind talaga ako sa college days ko. Sobrang talaga, overplayed nung Hey Barbara. And for good reason, kasi sobrang ganda talaga nung nila sound, and nung aesthetic nila.
Nung panahon din kasi na to, sobrang sikat si Bruno Mars, di ba?
Ah.
After nung 24K Magic era niya, parang yung Four of Spades yung naging natin, own funk music na papakinggan.
Wow.
Are you ready?
No. After na ba to ng Hey Barbara? In fairness parang level up yung production Ang cute, ang aesthetic.
Sobrang
Parang
iconic.
Parang yung isa, same vibe. Pero mas may budget.
Pa-level up na pa-level
Oo.
up. Tapos gusto ko yung itsura ni ni Unique na hindi nagbago talaga. Para siyang si Anna Wintour.
Ano Winter?
Na teenager pa lang, figured out na yung itsura. Mas ang hirap kantahin ng mga kanta nila.
Oo.
Parang si Unique lang talaga ang makakanta.
Super inline ng visual kasi disco groove yung yung sound. Tapos yung aesthetic niya din. Yeah.
They were so young in this era. Grabe.
Grabe yung talent.
Ganun talaga siguro kapag nahon na at a young age. Kasi nga yung mga parents mo musikero.
Actually. Super musical din kasi ng family nila
And kung ganun, and then they all bring something to the table. It's parang movie vibes, alam mo yun? Parang something Wes Anderson would direct.
True sa Wes Anderson. So that was Where Have You Been My Disco. Sobrang ganda nung nung MV. Again, super nostalgic talaga. Ewan ko, puro college years talaga nagpa-flashback sa utak ko pag naririnig ko to. Tapos super na-define niya talaga yung time na to na parang lahat nagpapaka-retro, nagpapaka-aesthetic, tapos lahat old soul. Old soul!
Na parang napapasabi akong, where have you been for a space?
Pero ayun nga, super galing nila. And nung time na to, it sounded so fresh kasi no other bands were doing a sound like like this. Dito sa Philippines wala pa ako narinig kasi lahat parang ano ba tawag sa ganung genre? Yung parang senti vibes. Di ba parang ganun yung mga OPM
Hugot.
Puro hugot songs. Tapos bigla silang pumasok sa scene, sabi nila. Magpa-funk ako, magdi-disco ako.
They really capitalized on their indie roots.
Yeah.
Tapos parang ang galing kasi nagawa nilang mainstream yun.
Actually.
They were the first of their kind. Na parang nag-start talaga sila ng independent. And then they really went mainstream dahil sa virality nitong dalawang music video na to. And also, ang ganda din kasi ng dalawang songs. And also,
Super.
Ilaw sa Daan. Ayun, tapos ang galing kasi 2016 lang yung Ilaw sa Daan. And then, at July 2017, nirelease nila yung Hey Barbara. And then, just diba, months apart lang. Where Have You Been My Disco was released on December 8, 2017.
Same year lang lahat.
Oo, same year lang tong dalawa. And you know what came after? Noong February 14, 2018, just 2 months later, nirelease nila their record-breaking, their hit smash, their iconic song, Mundo.
Totoo talaga. Ay, ang cute naman na nirelease nung nung Valentine's.
Valentine's Day.
Super sweet nung lyrics nun. It was so iconic. Sobrang iconic.
Oo,
Modern classic
sobra.
talaga siya.
Oo, modern classic talaga siya along with JK's Buwan. Parang those two go hand in hand kapag napapaisip ako ng OPM na sobrang ganda na love song. But sadly, after that, Four of Spades became Three of Spades. Dahil, I don't know, Kian Cipriano or
Management.
Unique had to leave the group and they went on as a trio. After that, they released their first and only album, Clap Clap Clap, with the single na sobrang sikat ngayon. You wanna know what it is?
Is it?
Come Inside. My
Yeah. So kinontinue pa rin nila yung yung parang retro na aesthetic.
Parang movie. Title cards. Ang ganda ng mga title cards na
cards.
parang movie.
Ang sad naman, tatlo na lang sila dito. Wala na si Unique.
Ay, sa Skyway yan, no?
Skyway.
Sa mga South dyan.
Diba? Pupunta sa
Pero alam mo, I just noticed, si Blaster na yung kumakanta ngayon.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Come inside. Cute, nagawa pa rin nila yung vocals. Unique. Pero yun nga yung parang thing na kapag may umaalis na vocalist is nabibigyan ng spotlight yung ibang mga members.
Tama tayo ko. Cute! It's
It's my
a
dogs.
golden retriever.
O at least apat pa rin
Apat
sila.
pala sila.
Cute na siya daw yung pusa. Bagay din sa kanya, may eyeshadow siya. Parang siya yung dark.
Ay, ang sabi ng zoom out sa classroom.
And that was, Four of Spades.
Come Inside of My Heart. Their most streamed song on Spotify.
Anyways, Come Inside of My Heart, it's really timeless.
Yeah, super.
Actually, lahat ng kanta nila.
Parang wala pa akong naririnig na song nila na parang feeling ko outdated. Diba? Parang lahat ang fresh sounding pa rin.
I think that's the trick when you use parang a sound from the past na ginawa mo siyang modern. It will never go out of style kasi kung ano yung nag-work before, yun na rin yung mag-work hanggang sa generations. Parang
Actually.
tingnan mo yung nangyayari ngayon with the resurgence of Y2K. Noong 2010s, hindi naman natin may that the fashion aesthetic and sound of 2000s was iconic. Four of Spades will never go out of style dahil sa pinili nilang genre and how they executed it was so good.
So good.
Ang sad nga lang na hindi na nila nasundan to.
Wow. Kasi yung album na to, 2019 pa ba?
2019 pa yung Clap Clap Clap.
Tagal na guys, mag-release naman kayo soon.
Oo nga, tapos ilang years na rin sila from 2016.
6 years?
Next year, 10 years na sila.
Gosh. Pero anyways, kahit nahiatus na sila, I'm still so proud. Kasi di ba kahit si Zild, si Unique, alam mo si Blaster nagre-release din ng music. Lahat sila nag-venture out pa rin into solo projects na meron pa rin success.
And they're continuing the legacy of Four of Spades.
Never too late for a comeback, guys.
Make it happen. Make it happen sa Daddy 8. So, ayun guys.
Ayun guys, that was our reaction to Four of Spades.
Did you also grow up listening to them or ngayon nyo pa lang sila na-discover? Leave your comments down below.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at
Huwag kalimutan ang Four of Spades.
Yeah.
Nang hindi sila mawala sa obscurity.
Saka, let's see, malay natin. Mag-comeback sila sometime soon.
So, see you, Four of Spades!
And see you guys on our next video.
Bye! Four of Spades, your musical legacy will live on.
Yeah, you will always be famous. At least to us, guys.
And your songs will always stand the test of time.
Yeah.
And you guys will always be iconic as Four of Spades or as individual members.